Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your finances? Do you wish there was a simpler way to manage your money and achieve your financial goals? Today, we're diving into the 50-30-20 budget rule, a straightforward yet powerful framework designed to bring clarity to your spending. This rule is an effective and easy-to-understand method that can transform your financial discipline. We'll explain what it is, how it works, and how you can implement it to take control of your financial future. First, let's talk about the 50%. This portion of your income is dedicated to your needs. These are the essential expenses required for survival and maintaining your basic lifestyle. Think housing, like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and groceries. These are non-negotiable costs. They keep a roof over your head and food on your table, forming the foundation of your financial stability. Transportation to work, essential insurance, and minimum loan payments also fall into this category. They are fundamental to your daily life and well-being, ensuring you can function and meet basic obligations. It's crucial to distinguish between true needs and perceived needs. A need is something you cannot live without, not just something you desire. This clarity helps prevent overspending on non-essentials. Next, we have the 30% for wants. These are discretionary expenses that enhance your quality of life, but aren't strictly essential for survival. They add joy and comfort to your everyday experiences. This includes dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and even vacations. These are the things that make life enjoyable and rewarding. New gadgets, streaming subscriptions, and shopping for non-essential items also fit here. They add comfort and pleasure to your life, contributing to your overall happiness and well-being. The key is to enjoy these aspects of life while staying within your allocated 30%. It's about balance, not deprivation. Finally, the crucial 20% is allocated to savings and debt repayment. This is your investment in your future financial security. This includes building an emergency fund, contributing to retirement accounts, and making investments. These steps secure your long-term financial health and provide a safety net for unexpected events. It also covers extra payments on high-interest debt, such as credit cards or personal loans. Reducing debt frees up more of your income, giving you greater financial flexibility and peace of mind. Consistent saving and debt reduction offer immense long-term benefits, providing peace of mind and opening up future opportunities. Now that we understand the components, let's explore how to implement the 50-30-20 rule effectively. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. This is your net income, or take-home pay. It's the amount you actually receive after all deductions, like taxes and benefits, have been taken out. Knowing this exact figure is crucial as it forms the basis for all your budgeting calculations. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. This involves tracking and classifying your spending. You'll assign each expense to one of the three categories: needs, wants, or savings, debt. You can use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple pen and paper to track your spending. The goal is to gain a clear picture of where your money is actually going each month. Step 3. Adjust and optimize. Review your current spending habits against the 50-30-20 percentages. If your needs are too high, or savings are too low, you'll need to make adjustments. Consider ways to reduce spending in your wants category first, as these are the most flexible. This might mean fewer restaurant meals, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding cheaper entertainment options. Remember, the rule is a guideline, not a rigid law. Adapt it to your personal circumstances and financial situation. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regularly review and tweak your allocations as needed. The 50-30-20 rule offers numerous benefits that can significantly improve your financial health. Its simplicity and ease of understanding make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. You don't need to be a finance expert to apply this powerful budgeting method. It promotes financial awareness and discipline by clearly defining where your money should go. This structure helps you make conscious spending decisions and avoid impulsive purchases. The rule helps you achieve important financial goals, whether it's building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or becoming completely debt-free. It provides a roadmap to success. By consistently following the 50-30-20 framework, you can significantly reduce financial stress and improve your overall financial health, leading to a more secure and peaceful life. In summary, the 50-30-20 budget rule is a powerful yet simple tool for managing your money effectively. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Start implementing this rule today by calculating your income, categorizing expenses, and making necessary adjustments. Take control of your financial future and build the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips.